Hello Sammler und Fallensteller. Hello collectors and trappers all over the world. Today I want to show you all the parts I purchased in the Netherlands in the last weeks. The first thing I want to show you is this adjustable wrench. It's made by Dovidat in Germany. The company is situated in Solingen, nearby Solingen, Remscheid, and I think it's quite good. Dovidat. Hope you can see it. Okay. Well, the second one is from Bacco in Sweden, and it's 12-inch wrench, and it works very well. The third wrench I bought is this tool here. It's from it's another Dovidat tool. I hope you can see it. Dovidat steel. Eight-inch, and it works. It's a little bit, it's not very good adjustable, but I think I can do it. Then I bought some utility knives, number 199 from Stanley, the first one, made in England. The second one is Stanley 199E, also made in England. And the third is Allegro, Mozart Allegro, made in Germany, in Solingen. But I don't know the name of the factory. Very interesting. You can put this and then you can take it out, and you can change the blades. Look at this. So, and then I bought these. Sauciere in France, Sauciere in German, I don't know the name in England, and it's stamped with a lot of stamps, and I do not really know what all these stamps mean. The second one I have polished. It's looking quite good. What do you think? It's something like brass with a silver plate or something like that. And here we see some other markings. And I purchased these two Sauciere for a few dollars, a few bucks, a few quid. And then I bought this tea can, it's the right name, tea can. It's a little bit damaged here. I have not seen this damage. And it's from Red and Barton in Lexington. And the number is 350. But I think it's not really silver. It is something like silver plated or so. And then I bought this here. A toaster used in the past. I remember my family, my mother, we had a toaster like this one here, and we put the toast inside, let it flip, and now I will try. This toaster works, and when the slice of toast was brown enough, you changed the side and oh yes, it's becoming warm. And then I bought a really big metal box for a few bucks. A few quid for something like, I don't know, I do not really know how much I paid for this metal box. It's very heavy. I think it weighs about 10 or 15 kilos. It's 44 centimeters in length. It's 34 centimeters in width, and the depth is something like 16 centimeters. And this box is really heavy. I think about 15 kilograms or something like that. And the last item I purchased in the Netherlands, I will show you now, are these little drills. Do you remember these little drills? 2 little drills for a few bucks with one. Oh. No drill inside. Here's the adjustment, but they are looking quite good. What do you think? That's all I bought in the Netherlands, and I hope you enjoyed my little video.